Hi, today computer networks are everywhere. You will find them in home, school, college, educational institute, public transport, etc. But how they are created? Which technology they use? Today in this video you will learn basic concept of networking. Hi, I am Jyoti Sethi. Welcome to my channel 8spin Technology Part. Please subscribe my channel. Then start our video. Basic concept of networking is computer network. Computer network is a group of computer or collection of a computer connected each other via transmission media and a communication device is called computer network. Two or more devices like computer or laptop, any IT material connected each other via transmission media or communication devices. Transmission media like wire or wireless. Wire means optical fiber cable, coaxial cable. Wireless means microwave signal. Communication device means modem, router, switch, hub. They are connected each other via transmission media. Communication device is called computer network. What is network communication? Then question arises, what is communication? A basic definition or basic knowledge of communication: when two people or two or more than people speak each other, share information, that is the basic definition of communication. And in terms of network communication, actually two or more devices connected each other share file, data, information that perform network communication. Merit and demerits of networking. First discuss merit. Sharing of physical device like printer, scanner, sharing of program, software, sharing of file, data, information. Nowadays in internet service you can find anything via Google service, and you can find any video in YouTube or using social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Then demerit. Demerit means big network and it is difficult to maintain. And suppose one second point is one system having virus, it can be affected, it may be affected to entire network. And second, last one, the biggest demerit is hacking. Nowadays hacking also possible. Then data sharing. Data sharing means a data means anything like any audio file or video file, any word file or Excel file or PDF file or a software or a program put into the file server. File server authenticate specific user or specific system which will able to access the data. That is called data sharing. Then types of network. There are different types of network: LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. There are different types of network architecture, that is client server architecture, peer-to-peer architecture. There are different types of network topology, that is star topology, ring topology, bus topology, or maybe a hybrid topology, etc. Then types of network technology or communication technology, that is called intranet, extranet, internet. Then discuss local area network. Local area network means group of computer or collection of a computer connected each other covering small or limited geographical area. Like example, you build a network in your home, you build a network in your office or any small shop or any educational institute, is called local area network. Then discuss MAN, metropolitan area network. A group of computer connected each other covering specific geographical area For example, covering a city, covering a town is called metropolitan area network. Then WAN transfers to wide area network covering large country, covering a entire global is called wide area network. In wide area network, we use many types of transmission media. For example, optical fiber cable, sea water cable, telephone cable, satellite signal, microwave signal is called wide area network. Then discuss difference between LAN, WAN and MAN. Ownership of network. LAN is a private network, WAN is a private or public network, MAN private or public. Geographical coverage. LAN covers small area, WAN cover large area, MAN moderate. Then discuss maintenance. In case of maintenance, LAN is easy. In case of WAN and MAN, not easy. Then discuss to which transmission media they use. LAN, in case of LAN, we use Cat6 cable, coaxial cable, optical fiber cable. In case of WAN, we use sea water optical fiber cable, telephone lines, microwave signal or satellite signal. In case of MAN, we use coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, etc. Then discuss bandwidth. In case of LAN, bandwidth is low, WAN is high, MAN moderate. In case of data rate, LAN high, WAN low, MAN moderate. Discuss network architecture. Network architecture describes how the computer network is configured. Network architecture, also known as network design, network model. You can see there are different types of network architecture like server client architecture, peer-to-peer architecture. In case of server client architecture, a server means a specific designed or specific programmed systems or specific designed server that process the request or deliver the data to the client machine over intranet or internet. A client is a computer that retrieves the data or uses the data provided by the server. Peer-to-peer network architecture. Peer-to-peer network architecture means two networks or node or system are connected each other directly without any intermediate device. It's called peer-to-peer network. For example, if you have office in Bhubaneswar and another office in Raulkela, they are connected each other via directly optical fiber cable or any microwave telephone signal. Is called peer-to-peer network. Means the Raulkela office which will be able to access your Bhubaneswar network directly, and Bhubaneswar network directly access the Raulkela network is called peer-to-peer architecture. Then discuss different types of network communication technology. There are different types of communication technology: intranet, extranet and internet. Intranet means it is a private network that can be only accessed by authorized user. That intra means internal. This is used for internal communication, is called intranet. Internet, a electronic communication network that contain group of networks and group of organization computers and facilities around the world, is called Internet. Extranet, private network. It contains more than one organization or network. Many organizations using this internet technology to allow their supplier, their customer or business partner to limited access their network or resources. The main purpose is reduce cost, increase efficiency. Then discuss difference between intranet, extranet and internet. Intranet is a private network, extranet is a private network, internet is a public network. Then types of user. Intranet users like staffs, internal employees. In case of extranet, like suppliers, business partners. In case of internet, all kind of public users. Then uses. In case of intranet, data means telephone directories, internal employee staff's informations. In case of intranet, like access data, send mail. In case of internet, all kind of public informations. Then security. In security region, internet is more high. Extranet using VPN, but that is virtual private network, for access data over the internet communication. In case of security region of internet, security is low. Thank you for watching my video, and ask any question and any query related to networking. Type in below comment box, and finally subscribe my channel, press bell icon for future video. Thank you.